and discretion. So we are blending this pegging and discretion in our code. This is the order book. Now I want to peg my buy limit order at best bid plus 10 cents with a discretion range of 20 cents. Cross the VWAP price. So the discretion range could be the difference between the bid and the VWAP price. Lower range is not aggressive, right? Lower range would be more passive. Pegging order, we always look at the level in the same direction. So if I'm sending a buy order, I will look at the level of bids. If I'm pegging a sell order, I will always look at the ask side. Discretion is when I look at the opposite side, whether I can trade or not. Pegging can be done if you're selling, you can peg your order, your price at the ask levels. Now, discretion, what was discretion? See, in discretion, at the end of the day, what we were trying to do is we were trying to increase our probability of getting a trade. In our code, we are adding pegging and discretion, right? So we are not sending only pegged orders or only discretion orders. Order has a characteristic of both pegging and discretion. So we are blending this pegging and discretion in our code. If this green line or if the VWAP price is say between the ask and the bid, what we can do is we can place our orders, we can peg our orders at level 1 and we can have a discretion range within the bid and the VWAP, so that whenever there is an ask between this green and the blue line, we can immediately fire a buy order and get an execution between the green and the blue line. This is the order book. Now I want to peg my buy limit order at best bid plus 10 cents with a discretion range of 20 cents. So this is the best bid. So I'm pegging my order at best bid plus 10 cents with a discretion range of 20 cents. So I don't want to cross the VWAP price. So the discretion range could be the difference between the bid and the VWAP price. Now how will this go about? So I place my order at 100.1 with a discretion range of 20 cents. It tells me my code knows that it can modify the price till 100.3 if there's an ask at that price. So I'm sitting at 100.1 if the ask is at 100.5. Case 1, say at 10:05 a sell order comes in for 100.3. Then my discretion range will be used. Because now this ask is within 20 cents, my discretion range will be used and the order will be modified to 100.3 so that it gets executed. Make sense? There could be another case too, right? If a new buy orders comes at 100.2, what will happen? So I was at 100.1, an order comes at 100.2. Because of my pegging logic, I will modify my order from 100.1 to 100.3. And now, because I'm at 100.3 and 100.5 is within 20 cents of my order, my code will automatically use discretion and send an order at 100.5. I'm being extremely aggressive in sending my buy orders. It's not about that discretion is getting priority. It's just the way discretion is, it is more aggressive than pegging, right? In pegging, if we are sending a buy order, we are always looking at the same side. If I'm sending a buy order, pegging will look at the bids. However, discretion will be looking at the opposite side. It's because of discretion that you will be more aggressive in execution. Obviously, if I have a higher discretion range, then I will trade more. And because X is trading more, then obviously X will have a higher discretion range, right? Lower range is not aggressive, right? Lower range would be more passive. I don't want to aggress my buy order to trade. When will I trade more? With a higher discretion range or a lower discretion range? And if I'm trading more with a higher discretion range, that means I'm more aggressive, right?